Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. For you guys that own an RMAX or looking to get an RMAX, I have one of the best updates we've seen since the RMAX came out as far as accessories go. You are looking at the all-new street legal kit for the Yamaha RMAX 2-seater and 4-seater. This is a kit from RYCO, part number 2105A-2001. You guys have been asking for this for a while, and it is here. We have them in stock, ready to ship. So normally we're installing three 3/4 inch amber LEDs on the front of the RMAX. With this kit, you're noticing a difference. Those lights are not there. This light is brighter. That is where the integrated LEDs go for the turn signal kit. How does it work? How does it function? With the RYCO kit, you've got that column mount that mounts like your car. Down will be left. You got indicator lights up on the dash letting you know those turn signals are on. You know, so you're not that guy going down the roadway with his flashers on. But take a look at that. That is a work of art right there. Great job, RYCO. Great visibility from the front as well as the sides. What I also love about the RYCO kit is it ties into the stock tail lights, utilizing all of those bright LEDs in the back. Very nice, very nice. The RYCO kit also has the 4-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. All 4 corners are going to illuminate. Oh, that looks so good. And around the back. The RYCO kit also comes with the license plate mounting hardware as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. To release the 4-way hazard function, simply go up or down with the lever. It also has the horn button integrated right into the end of the lever. The RYCO kit comes with everything you need to be street legal here in the state of Utah, with the exception of 2 mirrors on this particular model. It does come with the rear view mirror from the factory, so you can accomplish it with a rear view and a left view, or a left view and a right view. It's completely up to you. RMAX owners, let me know what you think. Again, we've got them in stock. We'll post up a link to where you can go on and buy them from our sister store, Ruthless Motorsports. You can also give us a call, 435-427-3338. We can get it shipped out today. We do have limited availability on these right now as the kit is new. Be one of the first. Have a great day, everybody.